Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dila Yumna Yubriyah. I'm from class 3 accountancy. Here I'm going to present my final project with the title Preparation of Cash Flow Statements at Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti in 2021. Okay, I'm going to start right now. Here I will explain the 6-point structure of presentation, including number 1, background, number 2, formulation of the problem, number 3, purpose, number 4, benefit, number 5, literature review, and number 6, research methodology. First of all, I talk about the background. Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti is located at House Cokroaminoto Street, number 5, Semarang, which consists of the military, civil servants, and akper. The cooperative has several business units, namely savings and loans, shops, and cooperation with several parties. Based on the management's accountability report until the end of 2021, the Kartika S3 Primary Cooperative Hestivira Sakti did not prepare a cash flow report. If the cash flow statement has been prepared and analyzed and the free cash flow calculation is carried out, it can be used as consideration in making decisions related to the use and receipt of cash. Given in the importance of the cash flow statement, a study was prepared with the title Preparation of Cash Flow Statements at Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti in 2021. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background put forward by the researcher, the formulation of the problem in this study is number 1, how is the cash flow report prepared for the Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti in 2021, and number 2, how to analyze the cash flow statement at the Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti in 2021. Is the purpose. The objective to be achieved in this research are number 1, prepare a cash flow report for the Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti in 2021, and number 2, analyzing the primary cash flow report of Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti Cooperative in 2021. Benefits. The benefits of the research are number 1, this research is expected to increase the knowledge of researcher regarding cash flow statements. Number 2, the research of this study are expected to be useful and provide information that can be used as put in assessing the effectiveness of the budget as a tool for controlling operational costs for the Primary Cooperative Kartika S3 Hestivira Sakti. And number 3, this research can be used to add reading reference for students, especially accounting majors, who want to study cash flow statement, and can be used as a comparison for future research in the same scope. The next topic is literature review. Definition of cooperative. Cooperative are business entities whose activities are based on cooperative principle as well as people's economic movements based on the principle of kinship and consist of individuals or legal entities. Financial statements. These financial statements are the financial position and performance of an entity that is presented in a structured manner. The purpose of financial statement is to provide information about the financial position, performance, and cash flow of companies that are useful for users of financial statements in making economic decisions. Cash flow statement. The statement of cash flow presents historical company information on the entity cash and cash equivalents, showing separately the change that occurred during a period from operating, investing, and financing activities. Okay, the last topic is research methodology. Number 1, definition research methodology. Research methodology is a scientific way to obtain data with certain goals and use. In the second, data classification. Data classification consists of 1. Quantitative data. quantitative data containing balance sheet as of December 31 in 2021 and 2020. Report on calculation of operating research for the period ending December 31 in 2021 and selected transaction data for 2021 and 2020 at the primary cooperative Kartika Sri Hasdiwira Sakti. Number 2. Qualitative data. Qualitative data that will be used in this research is a brief history of primary cooperative Kartika Sri Hasdiwira Sakti, organizational structure, vision and mission, duties and responsibility of the board. And number 3. Primary data. The primary data that will be used in this study were obtained from direct interview with the primary treasurers of the Kartika Sri Cooperative Hasdiwira Sakti regarding transactions related to the preparation of cash flow statements. And number 4, secondary data containing general information on cooperative, balance sheet, report on calculation of remaining operating research for the period ending December 31 in 2021 and selected transaction data in the form of distribution of remaining operating research in 2021 and 2020 and list of fixed asset year 2021. The third method of collecting data. Data collection method used namely number 1. The documentary data collection method is done by borrowing related documents such as the primary financial report of the Kartika Sri Hasdiwira Sakti Cooperative, a list of fixed assets and other related transaction data. Number 2, the method of collecting data by interview was by asking direct questions to the finance department and the primary cooperative Kartika Sri Hasdiwira Sakti. And the last, data processing and writing method. Data processing carried out in this study are A. Prepare information on the preparation of cash flow statements. B. Calculating change in the increase or decrease in balance in the 2021 and 2020 balance sheet, then adjusted to the calculation of operating reserve and selected transaction data. C. Classify cash receipt and cash disbursement. D. Classify operating, investing, and financing of activities. A. Make a working paper, then compile a cash flow report based on the work paper that has been made. And F. Analyze cash flow statement. Data writing method. The data writing method used in this study is as follows: acquisition method and descriptive method. Description method is used to explain the general description of the primary cooperative Kartika Sri Hasdiwira Sakti in detail, including of the history of the cooperative line of business, organizational structure, job description, and the authority of the cooperative management. My presentation is enough. I hope this presentation can be useful for all of us, and I apologize if there are words that are not pleasing to all of you. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.